Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to download the Alaska Airlines app on your smartphone. Alaska Airlines is a major airline in the United States. Whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Alaska Airlines app on your phone will make your travel experience very easy and convenient. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to go ahead and open my Play Store. Once you are in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Alaska Airlines. You'll see the Alaska Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Alaska Airlines travel app developed by Alaska Airlines. So this is the official app. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android device, or get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. You can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on open. Tap on next. Again tap on next. Then again tap on next. It is asking me if I want to receive the notifications. You can choose accordingly. I will choose don't allow for now. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Alaska Airlines app. Now take some time to explore its features. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.